right. There you go. Is he pulling drag?
Yeah.
Oh,
it
God.
wouldn't let me reel down on him.
Okay. All right, remember there's an anchor right here. All right. Remember there's an anchor. All right. We're sitting here about to leave. Dillon gets the takedown.
Can you move these 2 rods?
Yeah, I can. All right, hold on. Hold on, folks. Might get drunk with us moving here. But, uh-oh. Oh, God. Keep that rod high, Dillon. I want it facing the sky.
Do I need to work on one side? Do I need to make it
No, you're fine.
Okay.
If he dips for the motor, drop your rod down.
I might move to the right.
No, don't let him get over on that motor.
No.
Yeah, keep him right there. That rod he'll try to go for it, but you hold it, he ain't gonna pull that backbone.
Oh, I'm not scared about the rod. I was talking about mine.
Yeah. You got a big fish, Dillon. Just hold him right there, play him out.
He's just sitting. Oh, there he goes.
Goodness.
Look at that bend.
Goodness. Holy cow. Can't even reel no more, can you?
It barely does.
That's a big fish, folks.
We're about to get a double.
I know.
But don't worry about that.
Don't worry. If we get a double, he's just going to have to smoke drag in the rod holder. Guys, we don't run these drags loose.
I'm just trying to keep him as far away from that anchor rope as I can.
Alright, hold him out to the left. There you go, right there. Just play him out. Good day, Dillon. I had my back turned when the takedown happened. Good day. Good day. Good night. What a bull.
Oh.
Holy crap. Holy cow.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, Dillon, that's probably going to go 60 or 70 right there. I don't know, he might be 50 or 60, but then again, we know that I'm way off every time. That last one I was off by 60 pounds. All right, folks, I got to get this fish because it ain't worth losing. Drag him in the net. I got him. Take my phone. Take my phone. No high fives yet. Hold on. Hold on. I'm still sore from that other one. Ah! Can you see it? Yeah! I got to get a bigger net. Dillon.
Yeah!
What do you think, baby?
That's a new personal best.
Let me see that hoodie.
On the Big Cat Fever rod.
This was brought to you by Catch the Fever Outdoors. That fish is hanging out of the net.
Whew!
Did he fight, Dillon?
Oh yeah, he put up a good fight.
Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you.
We're gonna get this fish weighed up. We'll get a video of us turn him loose on the Big Cat Fever rod. Yeah, buddy. Uh-oh. About to get a takedown here. We might. We might.
You're gonna have to fight him, Coyote. Yeah.
Hold on.
See if you can get him like.
Like he's swimming sideways with it.
See if you can get him like this. I'll do it. Yes. You got him?
Yeah, I got him. Yeah, I got him. Got him. Here you go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm gonna get
Okay.
I'm gonna
Here
get
you
him
go.
down and out of the net.
All right, he's down. He's in the floor. All right, grab this, grab this.
Oh yeah!
not over till it's over. We're out here, been using all week. This fish ain't gonna be nowhere near Dillon's caliber, but sure lets you see what it's like pulling in these littler fish. And he's line wrapped. That could be part of the reason.
Are you working him to the left?
There we go. He's out of that line. Yeah, I'm gonna have to land him with the fish grip.
Do you want me to get that one out of the net?
No, you're fine. This fish will probably go 20 pounds. But you can see, they still put up a good fight on that rod. Nope, he'll go about 12 pounds. He's a 12 pounder. But he's tired now. All right, let's get him over here to the side. Got a double. Look at that, we can leader lift him. This is the size difference right here. That's baby and mama. All right, Dillon, let's get a fit weight on these fish.